Hi, this is Manni Chopra here at the Slough HMO site, and I've got Ben as my videographer who is from Ecobuilt, and we're going to go in and show you what's been done. There's been a lot going on, and Ben's explained to me the entire technical details, so I'm going to actually speak and verbatim tell you exactly what he just told me a few minutes ago. So let's go have a look. So as you come in, you'll see the electrics have, the first fix electrics have finished, and they're trying to make the wall ready for plastering basically. So they're filling in all the gaps and everything, ready for hopefully plastering next week. And you can see all around, this has happened or completed in the entire property. Let's go to room 1. Now here, basically, we didn't realize obviously that this door was actually having to move. So you can use this space right here at the back of the wall for the cupboard. So this is now going to be moving, where this is going to be the starting of the door to here. And here, this space is the cupboard space. And here, if you look, all the electrics have been done for the bed that's going to go on either side of the two electric sockets, which will go on there. But first fix is done. This here, the electrics have been done for the TV points. Cupboards will be there. The plasterboarding is going on right now in the bathroom. And here, this is the green color plasterboard, which is the waterproof moisture boards. Then you're going to have the acoustic board, which is the blue boards on this side. And in between, you're going to have the 50mm rock wool, which is going to go in there. Right there, you can see it. All the materials are on site and the work is going on quite well. And that's the acoustic roll right there. So let's go have a look at the next room. Here you can see all the electrics first fix have been done quite nicely. There's obviously some fire panel wiring for the position is there here. A little bit of prompting from Ben, but you can see there's a lot of first fix electrics is completed actually, to be fair, and the plumbing is completed as well. Yes, kitchen is a bit dark right now, but I can show you a little bit of what the plan is. The plan is to have, it's a small kitchen, but we're going to try and obviously maximize every inch as we always do. Electrics, you can see, are being fed through, and obviously that's all in progress. The kitchen design has also been completed. So here is going to be the sink, a unit here, 2 ovens with hobs and everything over there, and then the cupboards will go in a U shape all the way till here. And here is going to be the tall fridge freezer. So because it's a 6-bedroom HMO, you need 2 ovens and 2 sinks. So there's 1 sink in here, and the next sink is going to be the utility area. So let's go have a look and see what the progress is over there. This is the utility area, and all the plumbing work and the first fix plumbing has been done. But we have still got to do some electric work here. Now, here is going to be 2 washing machines next to each other. 1 washing machine and 1 possibly washer dryer. We're not sure, but either way, 2 connections we need, 2 water feeds for the machines. Here's going to be the sink number 2, which is a requirement for a 6-bed HMO, and another fridge freezer here, again as per the HMO standards. All this is going to be done with the plasterboarding, as they call it, dry lining, and there'll be obviously acoustic plasterboards on either side, and rock wool insulation in between as well, again for noises. And they're also doing it for this exact same thing, which we showed you earlier on in the bathroom there, with the green moisture boards, blue boards, rock wool in between, and that helps preventing the noise traveling from the bathroom into the bedroom, which I think is probably not as it is standard, but not all people do this insulation between the bedroom and the bathroom. So it's definitely going over and above the regular standards. You can see the electric feeds are in here, but obviously there's a lot more to do in terms of plasterboarding the ceiling and all that. So that's all still to come. As always, top-down approach in all the sites, so exactly the same here. This is now going into room 3. And again, here, similar to the rest of the room 2, We still have, electrics and drainage. Drainage is done, but electrics still have to be done. So in terms of the sockets and all the wiring is there. It started, but it's ongoing at the moment. So more progress later. And but yeah, you still have to do the sockets and things, right? So that's all still to do. Windows and doors have been ordered, and we are hoping to get them fitted this end of this week. So fingers crossed for that. Let's quickly show you upstairs now. So here we are in the single bedroom, and this here is pretty much completed in terms of the first fix. So again, like the downstairs bits, you saw all the holes and the gaps in between ready for plastering. Here, first fix is completed. The plasterboarding, the moisture boards are all done. You can see there the extractor, the hole for the extractor, the drainage has all been done, completed, ready for plastering basically. And also the shower trays have been ordered, which are going to be delivered tomorrow, and that's going to start being installed from tomorrow as well. So lots going on, as you can see. There's a lot of activity going on here. Similar to the room there, this is room 5. Again, exactly the same thing all over. Ensuite's done, moisture boards are in, insulation's done, ready for plastering. So pretty much all the first floor bathrooms and rooms are in the exact same position where we can start plastering pretty much soon. And this here is the largest room in the house. Again, exactly the same thing. First fix electrics completed, plasterboarding completed, and the ensuite as well. Here you can see with the bathrooms. Another quick tip that Ben gave me, which I would like to tell you as well, is always have the wash basin right next to the shower as well, because obviously this only comes out at about 500 millimeter, maximum 600. And here is a mixer taps for the showers. So the showers are actually good sizes. They're about 1 meter by 800. So slightly unusual sizes, so it was slightly difficult to source them, but Ben's done the job. He's managed to get them all done, ready for delivery today. So yeah, as you can see, the drainage, that's the extraction. The drainage for the toilets have been all completed, and I'm going to do a follow-up video showing you the drainage and how articulate is the drainage that Ecobuilt have done. So let's go and show you that. But hope you found this video useful. We do weekly property content with site tours, up-to-date economy information. So do subscribe to us, and do look at our next event, which is the 13th of June. Look at our website, teamcharters.co.uk, and buy your ticket now, because it's going to be all about auctions. Thank you for watching.